everybody, today for you I have got a Nissan Skyline R34 Kaido house, and today I'm gonna unbox it. Alright, now I'm going to unbox it. This is the car. It has wide body everywhere with Kaido house decals and quad exhaust pipes. And another add-on is the opening hood. It is really detailed. And this, if you're wondering, is a VTEC car. It has carbon fiber front splitter and carbon fiber back splitter, and it has really deep barrels. This is one of my favorite mini GTs, so I really hope you like this car. Have a good day. Bye.